Argan oil, which is high in antioxidants, and keratin are used in the Moroccanoil moisture repair shampoo formulation to heal damaged hair. There are many products available to choose from: shampoos for dry and damaged hair, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1. REDKEN Extreme Shampoo. One of the finest shampoos for dry, damaged hair that is packed with proteins and other necessary elements to repair damaged hair is the REDKEN Extreme Shampoo. It strengthens hair and lessens split ends and breakage. The shampoo has special to strengthen hair roots and stop hair loss, as well as arginine to nourish the scalp. Ceramides restore natural shine and shield hair from breakage, while soy protein in the recipe locks in moisture and increase hair volume. Moreover, the RCT Protein Complex in this product keeps the hair nourished and hydrated, preventing it from becoming brittle. Regular usage of the shampoo is supposed to maintain the hair silky, smooth, and detangled while reducing breakage by up to 75%. Prevents split ends, cleans hair roots, and detangles frizzy hair while reducing hair breakage. Number 2. Moroccanoil Moisture Repair Shampoo. Argan oil, which is high in antioxidants, and keratin are used in the Moroccanoil Moisture Repair Shampoo formulation to heal damaged hair. With the help of keratin proteins, this extremely nourishing solution helps rebuild disturbed or damaged hair, giving your hair an increase in nutrients and vigor. The shampoo successfully deep cleans the scalp while being kind to the hair, improving manageability. To stop damaged hair strands from breaking, the formula's fatty acids aid in strengthening and repairing them. Also, the mixture works to stop dead and split ends and restore your hair's elasticity, vitality, gloss, and hydration. Your hair feels and looks healthier thanks to the shampoo. Number 3. Nexus Carafix Shampoo for Damaged Hair. With Nexus Carafix Shampoo for damaged hair, visible hair damage repair is possible. The initial stage of Nexus at-home keratin hair treatment, which replicates the salon experience. Smoothing keratin shampoo penetrates the hair fiber to aid in internal restoration. With continued application, the keratin may strengthen hair, leaving you with smooth, radiant hair. Your new tool to repair symptoms of damaged hair is Nexus Shampoo with keratin protein and black rice, which was inspired by the Nexus New York City salon. With this hair repair treatment for damaged hair, take the first step toward revitalized hair. Hair is restored and repaired with the aid of Nexus Shampoo, leaving it refreshed and clean. Because up to 90% of the protein in hair structure is protein, Nexus experts employ cutting-edge research called proteomics to develop their renewing hair treatment. Number 4. Virtue Recovery Shampoo. A potent hair treatment that enhances hair structure, softness, and general health is the Virtue Recovery Shampoo. It has alpha-keratin, which clings to the brittle hair and fills in the gaps to fortify, stabilize, and soften the hair. Baobab seed oil moisturizes the hair, while the hydrolyzed quinoa in the mix intensifies color, holds moisture, and restores shine. Grapefruit extract, which is high in antioxidants, is also included in the shampoo to enhance hair brightness. It aids with repairing damage brought on by chemical, color, and heat styling. It is made with organic materials and is devoid of phthalates, gluten, sulfates, and parabens. It is also not tested on animals. Number 5. L'Oreal Paris Elvive Dream Lengths Restoring Shampoo. Long hair, Elvive Dream Lengths, composed of fine castor oil and vitamins B3 and B5, can help seal split ends in only one usage. With Elvive Dream Lengths shampoo, conditioner, and no haircut creme leave-in conditioner, you may strengthen the length of your hair and aid in sealing split ends. Employ the whole Dream Lengths method to maintain your long hair. Next, use Dream Lengths conditioner and no haircut cream leave-in conditioner after massaging Dream Lengths shampoo into wet hair. Dream Lengths is a decadent and enticing scent with notes of pomegranate, caramel orchid, and milk sorbet. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.